You stayed at the Airbnb up until the point where you were hungry and you needed to get some McDonald's, right? And this is how we found that McDonald's footage.
I want to watch this.
You gotta watch this, okay? This is very important because you're gonna need this information for when you make the decision that you gotta make, okay? Yeah. Between 125 and 140, you head over to the McDonald's, right? That's how we're to look at the McDonald's. Then you go back to the Airbnb, okay? And then after the Airbnb, you head over to the first club, Teaser's Club. You know who else was at Teaser's Club while you were there? The rapper from Jacksonville, Julio, that died in Tampa, right? He was at Teaser's as well. And we have him on footage at Teaser's. After he leaves Teaser's, nope, that's fine. No, you gotta watch this because you gotta know, okay? After he leaves Teaser's, he goes to Truth 18, right? For his after party, which he posted on Instagram, walking up the stairs. Guess who else shows up at Truth 18 after Julio shows up at Truth 18? You show up at Truth 18.
It wasn't crowded, so...
Okay, no, but there's one place that wasn't a club, right? So there's one place that wasn't a club that you have to come up with a reason why you were there. It's a hotel where Julio was shot and killed at.
I never stayed at a hotel.
No, you didn't say. We know you didn't stay at that hotel. We know you didn't stay at that hotel.
We just know you went to the parking lot.
But you were at the hotel where Julio was murdered at the exact same time that he was murdered. Okay? So the reason we're showing... No, listen, this is a time where we're gonna... I understand this is... I want to make it... Because you've never been arrested before, right? And you might not understand the gravity of the situation you're in, okay? You're familiar with Zay's old friend Tilly that was shot and killed? No? You're not familiar with that? His killer had a girlfriend by the name of Diamond, okay? And Diamond helped set Tilly up, lured him to a location where he was shot and killed, okay? Now, Diamond was not at the scene where he was shot and killed. Diamond did not pull the trigger, okay? All she did was send a few messages on the phone, okay? And they put the case against her, and now she's already been convicted 20 plus years. She's in jail right now. She's not getting out for decades, and she wasn't even at the scene where Tilly got killed. You understand what I'm saying to you?
Father is.
I'm not making any threats to you by any means, but this is damning evidence. This is the murder scene, and this is your device present at it. Okay.
Imagine getting legal advice from a police officer who's interrogating you. Hey, you're screwed, so just give it up.